Problem 14 discussion. If A, B, C, D are in a geometric sequence, then show that A minus B plus C into B plus C plus D equal to AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, it is a little tricky problem, but let's mark what is given. So the key is it's a geometric sequence. A, B, C, D are in geometric sequence. That is B by A equal to C by B equal to D by C. That's what they mean by saying geometric sequence. And so let's write. So A by B, A, B, C are in geometric sequence, and we are asked to prove this, right? And that is A minus B plus C into B plus C plus D equal to AB plus BC plus CD. Well, there's hardly any formula or hint for this, but what we can do, and which I'll explain in the steps. So in the step 1, let A and R be the first term and the common ratio of the geometric sequence. So A is first term, B is nothing but AR, right? It is always first term into the common ratio. Second term is AR square. Third term is AR cubed, right? A, the geometry sequence means A, AR square and AR cubed. The first term is taken as A, B is the second term, so that's AR. Third term is C, that is AR square, and D is AR cubed, that is the fourth term. Alright. Now you substitute these values in the left hand side of the equation here. So A you have to put it as A because it's the first term, B is AR, C is AR square, and D is AR cubed. Put those values, simplify the left hand side. Okay, and then you come back to the right hand side actually. Try to put those values here and simplify it, and then you will get everything in terms of A and R, and you'll be able to equate them. Okay, so let's do the problem. So let A, B, C in the geometric sequence. A and R be the first and the common ratio. The second term is AR, which is B is AR. The third term C is AR square. D is AR cube, because we know normally the geometric sequence is in the form of AR square, AR cube, AR to the power of 4. It goes on like that when you have A and R as the first term and the common ratio. Okay, so that's what we have done. We are equated. Now we need to prove this, right? So substituting B equal to AR, substituting all these things in this left hand side, we will get A, B is AR, C is AR square. Okay, similarly B is AR, C is AR square, and D is AR cube, right? And you take A commonly out, so it becomes 1 minus R plus R square. Similarly, you can take AR commonly out. It is AR into 1 plus R square. Okay. This, if you rewrite this, rearrange it, this will become 1 plus R square minus R. Similarly, this will be 1 plus R square plus 1. Can you see this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, where A is 1 plus R square and B is R. So what will this be? A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. So that will be 1 plus R the whole square minus R square. That's what is written here. A square R into A square minus B square, because the formula is A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So here A was 1 plus R square and B was R. So you got it in the form of A square minus B square. Now you expand this. So A square R, this is 1 plus this is 2AB, 2 into R square, and this is R to the power of 4 and minus R square. So this 2R square and R square, it will get subtracted. So you will get A square R into 1 plus R square plus R to the power of 4. 2R square minus R square is R square. So you got it here. Now you got the whole of left hand side in terms of A and R. Now do the same thing for your right hand side. So what was your right hand side? It's given here AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, so A into B. A and B is AR. So A into AR, and this is BC. B is AR and C is third term, right? That's AR square. And C into D, CD. C is third term AR square, and D is the fourth term, it's AR cubed. And expand this. Okay, so it's A square R. This is A square R cubed, and this is A square R to the power of 5. A square R is common everywhere, so you take A square commonly out, A square R commonly out, so this will be left with 1 R square and R to the power of 4. Right? Now you see this and this are the same. Equation 2 and equation 3 are the same. So this you obtained it from LHS, this you got it from the RHS. So these two are equal, so which means LHS equal to RHS. Thus A minus B plus C into B plus C plus D equal to AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, you got it. So this problem is, let's recap it. So all you're doing is that let the series, let A be the common ratio and R be the, let A be the first term and R be the common ratio, and the geometric sequence will be A, AR, AR square, AR cubed. The first term is A, the second term is AR, the third term is AR square, and the fourth term is AR cubed. But it is given for us, the terms are A, B, C, D. So A and A matches, so the second term is given as B, and in our case it is AR, so B equal to AR. The third term is given as C, and in our case we have taken it as AR square, so C will be equal to AR square. And the fourth term is given as D, and in our case it is AR cubed, so D will be equal to AR cubed. So equate that and first start from there. Then all you need to do is that substitute all those A, B, C, D in the left hand side with this terms in terms of AR, A and R, and you'll get one equation. Do the same for the right hand side. Substitute A, B, C, and D with this terms with the numbers in terms of A and R. Simplify it, get one equation, and you'll see both of them are equal. That way you will be able to prove the left hand side equal to RHS. Okay, so now you try to do this problem with this concept in mind and try to finish it. Okay, thanks for watching this video.